In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your profile picture in Duolingo. Duolingo now uses avatars for most accounts, so instead of uploading your own photo, you will be customizing a Duolingo-style character. You can still make it look a lot like you, or use it to create a fun persona for your language learning profile. To begin, open the Duolingo website in your browser. Once the page loads, you should see the familiar Duolingo home screen with your current course and your daily streak near the top. If you are not signed in yet, go ahead and log into your account so your avatar changes are saved to the right profile. After you sign in, wait a moment for the home screen to fully appear, with your current language and lesson path visible. Now open Profile. Look toward the top right corner of the page where your current avatar icon appears. Click there, and then choose the Profile option from the small menu that opens. When the profile page loads, you should see your username, your current avatar, and some basic stats about your progress. This screen confirms you are editing your own account, not someone else who might also use the same computer. From there, click your avatar, or the edit pencil icon next to it. When you click it, Duolingo will open the avatar editor. The background usually changes to a lighter panel, and your character appears much larger in the center of the screen. If nothing opens, check for a blocked pop-up at the top of your browser and allow Duolingo, then click again. Once the editor appears, you are ready to make visual changes. Next, customize your avatar. You will see options grouped in sections, such as face shape, hair, eyes, mouth, clothing, and sometimes accessories. Click through each category and try different looks until you find a combination you like. A helpful detail here is that every change you make updates the avatar preview instantly, so you can experiment without committing. If you move too fast and regret a choice, you can simply click a different option in the same section to replace it. Take a moment to check how your avatar looks at both the large preview and the smaller icon preview, since the small one is what you will see next to your name in lessons and leaderboards. With your design ready, click Done or Save. This button is usually at the bottom or top right of the editor panel. When you click it, the editor closes and you return to your profile page. Your new avatar now appears in the profile picture spot, as well as in the top right corner of the site. You do not need to click anything else. The change is stored to your Duolingo account automatically and will show on any device where you use this account. You have just updated your Duolingo profile picture by creating and saving a custom avatar on the website. If this helped you get a profile picture you actually like, please give the video a quick thumbs up and subscribe if you want more Duolingo tips.